Hello everyone. Today we are here with Mr. Jamal Abdul Luta, Group CEO, Cleanco Group. Hi, Mr. Luta. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
So, how has been the things?
Great. Today we are lucky that's to participate in one of the biggest events in healthcare. I really surprised when I came here. The number of companies growing and a huge of exhibitors here. One of the most important, most famous companies participating on this event.
So, coming to my first question, Cleanco Group now brings together Cleanco FM, Cleanco Waste Treatment, and Ecoco under one umbrella. Can you share the vision behind consolidating these business and how the group operate as an integrated entities?
Great question. Now, as we can see the markets in all industries, especially I'm talking about this region, the GCC is growing.
Right.
Now growing in terms of number of service, number of industry. If you look into the health sectors only, if you look to educations or bank or residential, growing day by day. The population is growing every month, especially in our region, especially in our country. When we talk about this, how to fill that gap from Cleanco groups. Now, when we're talking about total facility management, means you have to provide full basket of services to the client.
Right.
Whereas most of the client, they don't want to keep different companies
Right.
in their properties or in their let's say, community. Now, day by day, we are looking to the client what they want and how to fulfill their requirements. Like, for example, we are talking about cleaning, for example. What type of cleaning? Cleaning different hospital, different than education. House different than banks. Residential different than offices. That's why we think what the clients want and we add to our groups. Now, today, as you can see, we add total facility management with Yamco. We acquire the company share of this company to let the client understand that we are here to give the best and high quality services and fast. That's the reasons.
So the company recently expanded its waste treatment capacity significantly, reinforcing its role in advancing the UAE's net zero 2050 goals. How do you envision Cleanco Group's strategic roadmap evolving over the next maybe 5 to 7 years to support national sustainability targets?
Of course, to be honest with you, if we're talking about for example, let's talk about Cleanco Group first. The legacy for Cleanco Group, it is now almost 40 years in the country.
Right.
Means that the people trust Cleanco. And that's why we said how to add this. And instead of our client looking for some different service provider, we are always link our strategy with the government strategy. When we talk about waste treatment, we are maybe one of the largest dealing with the health waste and hazardous waste on the region.
Right.
We are specialized dealing with the hospitals, clinics, and hand to hand with the government to see their strategies at 2030, how to reach the zero waste in the future, inshallah. And I think we are in the directions and we are getting very long way now. And we are reaching with instruction from the government strategy. And we have to add something. We have very high specialized people dealing with the hazardous. As you know, the medical waste and the hazardous
Right.
needs very professional people. The risk is very high. And that's our health and safety become very high priorities.
So, what role does innovation play in Cleanco's service evolution, and what emerging technologies are you prioritizing next?
See, now we are looking to the world now. What is the technology? AI, for example, now, as we know,
Right.
it is everywhere and for everything. Now we will try to accommodate this technology to help the people and to add value to our clients.
Right.
This is where we are looking to technology to how to shorten the time and increase the quality and health and safety matters.
So, as the company explores initiatives such as fly ash recovery and conversions solutions contributing to circular economy goals, How do you balance environmental impact with business operational efficiency?
We are always taking the directions from, as we say, the government rules and regulations and policies. And we implement these technology to help this strategy.
Right.
Now we are participating in most of the exhibitions worldwide to see what is the latest technology can secure the high quality and reducing the risk of our processing day by day.
So with the UAE's biomedical and hazardous waste sectors projected to grow substantially in the coming years, what are the biggest industry challenges you foresee, and how is Cleanco planning to address them?
See, technology never stop, and the challenge is how to retain the good people who believe in technology and who believe in the changes happen. The market's growing day by day. Maintain the good people, good employee, retain them
Right.
with the good allowances and good salaries. Same, build a good environment in the company as well. Technology is there, but technology without people using the technology, it will be a nightmare. Now, how to train the people, how to select the right equipment and technology systems to fit our environment and fit our region's weather also.
Cleanco currently serves thousands of healthcare, commercial, and industrial clients. How do you maintain high service quality and client trust while scaling operations across such diverse sectors?
See, now we will put our front of us the satisfactions from our client. We monitoring that by satisfaction survey at least twice a year, seeing our client how they are satisfied, and we exceeding their satisfaction. Normally, we surprise them about the things. I mean, for any clients looking about quality and time and cost, these three things we try to maintain it to not add big, heavy cost to them.
Right.
And we provide the best in the market. Day by day, as we can see, and just now I say that, number of hospital increasing, number of clinics increasing, number of people increasing.
Right.
Means we have to compete ourselves to show that how we can improve for the others. Cleanco is 40 years. I mean, when I said 40 years, let's start in the beginning 40 years. What was there? Clinic, hospital, and how was dealing with these things? Cleaning is our main things, and to prove and continue with our clients, we're proud to say that most of the clients with us since beginning, and they are creating and maintaining.
Great. Could you shed light on some, recent partnerships or investment that might help you expand your operations in the Middle East?
Of course. Now, see, it depends on the regions, depends on the cities we are growing on. For example, if we go to Saudi Arabia or Qatar, we need strong partner with us to grow with our knowledge and capabilities. We can put our hand together to grow in the other cities in the GCC. Now, again, I say, we have to believe in technology, we have to believe in people and a strong partner. Now, we decided in the Cleanco Group today to acquire Total Hard Service Facility, the FM. This is one of the first steps to grow with the different services in the future.
Right.
And we can, because the market is open and not anymore small company can compete. You have to be strong enough with the full experience to grow with the others.
So, you have now integrating all services under one group. What future opportunities or challenges do you anticipate, both regionally and globally? And how is the company preparing to navigate them?
See, to bring the companies together as a business unit or as a subsidiaries, it is needs, first of all,
Right.
the people in the team believe on this, to work together as a one team.
Right.
We are not working for example, in soft service or the hard service or the medical waste treatment. We are one team, we are Cleanco. And now we build that strategy to let them work together, mean anyone will win any contract, means we are winning. We are, as a company, as a Cleanco, working together to be one company, but different services. And this is the target and this is the strategy.
So coming to my last question, looking ahead, what are your future plans for 5 to 7 years, and how you are looking at the market in the UAE?
Our vision as a group, Cleanco, or a Cleanco group now, to be one of the best in the Middle East, total facility management, and specialized in very unique services, especially in the waste treatment and waste management, by having the latest technology plants treatment, waste treatment, latest technology in machine using in the road, and to be competing with the best total facility management company worldwide.
Right. I think that is all. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Anas.
Thank you.